Let's see how to create a truth or lie question in Slidea. Click on the New Slide button in the top left corner of the Presentation Editor page. Choose the Truth or Lie slide type from the popular question types. Add your question in the question field in the right panel. Click on Add a longer description to add more content to describe your question or to give a hint for the question. In the Statements fields, enter the statements to be responded. Click on the Add Statement button to add more statements. You can add up to 5 statements for a question. Use the buttons to set the statement as true and lie respectively. The left button is for lies and the right button is for true. Let participants skip single statements. Lets your participants skip responding to the given statements. Use the formatting options to edit the text style, size, and color. Change the background color of the slide. Click on Reset to Theme Defaults to remove all the custom effects. In the right panel, click on the Design menu. Click on the Upload Image icon to add an image. We have a collection of images and GIFs available under Image Library and GIFs menu. In the Upload menu, drag and drop or choose a file from your device to your slide. Your file should be in PNG, GIF, JPG, or SVG format with a maximum file size of 15 MB. Change the layout of the uploaded image by choosing one from the available layout options. You can adjust the opacity of the image by dragging the slider. In the right panel, click on the Settings menu. Toggle the Enable Voting button to allow or disallow participants to respond to the question. Toggle the Show in Results button to show or hide participants' responses in the final results. Click on the On Slide Notes at the bottom of the center panel to store reminders, talking points, keynotes for that particular slide for the presenter. Once done, preview your slide to see how it works. Present it to your audience and start collecting responses. And that's it. It's your turn to create amazing presentations with truth or lie slides.